Meaning of icky.
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 Icky. Icky is an adjective that describes something that is unpleasant or uncomfortable, often causing a feeling of disgust or revulsion. It can be used to express one's distaste or dissatisfaction towards a particular thing or situation. The term is commonly used to describe something that is slimy, sticky, or dirty, or anything that evokes a feeling of discomfort or unease. For example, one might describe a pile of garbage as icky, or a swampy marsh as icky. Overall, the term conveys a sense of negativity and aversion towards the subject being described.